My name's Karen and I'm from Sapphire Blue Travel and Mindset, and I thought today I'd give you 3 tips on how to prepare for a long haul flight. We've all done it. We've done that 48 hours before the flight where we've still got packing to do, family to catch up with, work to finish, and the pressure is so high. I want to throw 3 more things into that last 48 hours to help you get by. The first one is to get sleep. Those 2 nights before a flight, don't stay up later and think, oh, I'll catch up on the flight. Why not make sure that you go into that flight as rested as possible? So try and go to bed at your normal time. Try and do things as far as your sleep pattern goes that is the same as it has been previously, so that your body is rested, your body is ready. The second thing that goes with sleep is get exercise. If you're like me and not a big exerciser, make sure that you're getting moving, and it doesn't hurt to start that earlier than 48 hours before. Go for a 20-minute walk, get your body moving, get your blood flowing, and then do that at the airport as well. And if you go to the gym as usual and have a good workout and really get your body ready for that flight. And number 3 is drink lots of water. So if you're like me and don't drink, I try and push it to really set that goal in those exciting 48 hours before the flight to get 2 litres of water into me each day so that my body is hydrated and it's ready for that air-conditioned long haul flight, because usually we're looking at 24 hours or 13 hours on one flight, and then anything from 6 to 8 for another flight to get to Europe from Australia. There are 3 tips to help you prepare for your flight. If you liked what you saw today, why not hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and the little bell to be notified of our weekly uploads. Once a week we do our travel tip Tuesday, and then on a Thursday we upload either a travel vlog, a destination video, or a conversation with someone who's got a great story to tell. If you liked these tips and want to know more about preparing your body and you're keeping your health in mind for a flight, I've got a blog link in the description below that you could also check out. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day. As always, travel brilliantly. Bye.